Hey friends, it's me Stace. Today I'll be using my Silhouette Cameo machine to cut out this really cute coffee-shaped gift card holder. This is an SVG file. I will have it linked below, so if you want to cut it out on your Cricut or your brother ScanNCut, you certainly could. I will also have the Silhouette ID listed below as well. Anyway, here's the front. It has a little coffee sleeve right there. I'm going to go ahead and unwrap the top so you can see how this opens. So take the sleeve off, open up, and then you have your inside, your gift card holder on the inside. All right, very easy to make. So I already have everything cut out. So I have this piece and this piece, which forms our card. You'll see a score mark at the very top of this one. Take your bone folder and give that a good crease. Then on the bottom, this score mark as well. All right, now I'm going to flip this over and put some adhesive on that flap. And I'm just using my advanced tape glider. All right, we're going to take this and then just line it up on the bottom with the other piece. Just like that. I'm going to flip it over, and just to make sure I have no extra adhesive on the inside. Okay. So now we have the gift card holder sleeve, and it has these two little slices on it. So when you put your adhesive on here, you want to do adhesive on the very top, in the middle, and the very bottom. Okay, and that's going to go in here as well. Make sure it's straight. Okay, so now we have our belly band. There's a score mark and another score mark, and again, take your bone folder, just give that a good crease. Now I do recommend putting the gift card holder or the gift card in the gift card holder first before you put the belly band on, just in case you have a thicker gift card. Okay, so I'm going to close that. Let's bring this over. I think we're going to be good. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and take my adhesive. Just put it on the flap there. Bring this back over. Fold everything over. I think I put my adhesive on the wrong side, so I'll just flip it over on this side. There we go, just like that. I'm going to take it off and just give it a good little push. I do have my flap on the outside versus on the inside because I found when I did it earlier it was getting stuck to my cardstock, so it's just easier that way. All right, now we have a little heart to go on top of that. I'll be using my art glitter glue. Just lining that up. Okay, then we have the heart. I'm actually going to pop this piece up. So I'm going to grab 3 foam squares. All right, give all them a squish. Take the backing off. Okay, put that on the top. And before we're done, we need to take this off and put our little piece on the top on. So we have this piece here. And then line that up with this piece right there. Okay. All right, now we have our little piece here to stamp our greeting on. I'm actually using one of May's stamp sets called Cuppa Cuppa. I thought it would be perfect for this because it's a coffee-shaped card. I'm using the one that says, "This will perk you up," along with a little happy face. And I'm just going to be using my VersaFine black ink. And I'm going to stamp that on a little bit of an angle. There we go. All right, so now we have our tag piece here. Again, take your glue. You can also pop this piece up if you want to. I chose to leave it flat. I'm going to flip it over and just kind of rub it. All right, so now let's go ahead and assemble this. So put your sleeve on. Then we have our tag, and then we have twine. On this one, I used a pink and white yarn that I had, but the pink didn't really match it. It's okay, but I thought for this one, I'm going to do white. So I just have white yarn right here. Okay, I'm going to take it around the top piece. Okay, I'm going to tie that into a little knot. And then before I tie it into a knot, I'm going to grab my little tag. You can also put the tag on the heart if you want to, or you can have it hang, either way. All right, let's go ahead and get reorganized here. And my tag up there. So if there was a backwards way to do something, I would find the way to do it. There's probably an easier way than what I'm doing. All right, just gonna take that, make a loop. All right, and fix my loops so they're not so big. I like to make my loops smaller as I go, and then as I tighten them, they'll get a little bit bigger. Okay, let's go ahead and cut the ends off of that. How cute is that, right? Great little gift to give to a friend who might be under the weather or feeling down. You know, you can put obviously any store in there, but I think a coffee shop gift card would be fine in there, or, you know, their favorite store or what have you. But super cute. So there's that one. There's this one here as well. And this one, again, I did use this twine, the pink and white twine. It was close. I also have a card kit for you. So you'll receive everything that I did make the card, and I also give you the pink and white twine as well as the white yarn. Pink and white yarn as well as the white yarn, so you can decide if you want to have it be white or pink. But what do you think? Super cute. Again, I will have the link to the SVG file on my website or on my blog. I will also have the Silhouette ID if you want to use it. If you want to use the Cameo to cut it out, I will have the ID as well. All right, so to win the card kit, super cute one, you need to go to my website. I'll have a direct link below. Leave me a comment, and the first one that leaves a comment will be the card kit winner. All right, my friends, any questions at all, please let me know. As always, thanks so much for watching. Have a great day, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.